from R to R is a continuous function. F of minus x is minus f of x. When x is 0, 2f of 0 is 0. It's one information. F of minus 3 is 2. F of, in place of x minus 3, if you substitute, minus f of minus 3. Like this, f of 5 is 4. F of minus 5 will be minus 4. So the basic graph, you take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So f of 0 is 0. F of minus 3 is 2. Again, f of 3 becomes minus 2. F of 5 is 4. F of minus 5 will be minus 4. So one basic graph will be like this. No other possible graph is maybe passing through the same points. So first case, it has 3 roots. Second case, it can have more roots. So correct answer is at least 3 roots. Here, shortest distance between the points. So one line he given. Y-axis equation x0, z0. It is y by 1, z minus 0 by 0. So between two lines, this line is passing through 3, 0, 0. This line is passing through origin. Shortest distance will be PQ here. This is A, this is B. So shortest distance line will be 0, 1, 0, 4 minus J plus K into 3, 4I plus 3K. Here it is projection of AB on PQ is shortest distance. So 300.043 by 403, 4I 3J by mod PQ. PQ will be 16 plus 9, which is 12 by 5. So here he given one equation. What it represents, If you multiply with 2, you will get 2z square minus 2xy, which I can write it as x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square. Sum of squares 0, each one must be 0. So that means finally this equation concludes as x equal to y equal to z, which represent a line in 3D. So here, shortest distance from the point to the line, here you take it is 1, 2, 3. Shortest distance is nothing but perpendicular distance. Any point on this line, I can write RRR. So AB DRs are R minus 1, R minus 2, R minus 3. And this line, CD DRs are, it's like x by 1, y by 1, z by 1. AB and CD are perpendicular. Dot product is 0. R minus 2 into 1, R minus 3 into 1. From here we can write 3R as 6, R as 2, which implies B coordinates are, then the shortest distance is AB, 2 minus 0 whole square. Here it is A value 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3 plus 1, we get it as root 20. 1 minute, let me check. R minus 1, R minus 2, R minus 3. R is 2. Then D coordinates 2, 2, 2. AB will be 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square, 0 square, 3 minus 2 whole square, which is root 2. So the option is correct. Here, let us consider the numerator terms 5, 9, 17, 33. To find the nth term of this, I will assume it as yes, 5 plus 9, sum of all the terms, Tn minus 1 plus Tn. The same as here I will write 5, 9, so on, Tn minus 1 minus Tn. So subtract one from other. Here 4, 8, 16 like this, minus Tn. Here you have it is nothing but from here to here you have n terms. Here to here you have n minus 1 terms. Sum of n minus 1 terms geometric progression. R value here is 8 by 4, which is 2. 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus Tn. So from here I can write Tn as 5 plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. That's all. 2 power n minus 1 minus. So if you simplify this, 4 into 2 power n minus 1 plus 1, or 2 square 2 power n plus 1 plus 1. So nth term of series is 2 power n plus 1 plus 1 by 2 power n, which is 2 plus 2 power minus n. So what he is asking, sum of n terms, Sn will be sigma Tn, sigma 2 plus 2 power minus n, sigma, your n terms are the 2n. Here you write 2 power minus as half plus 1 sigma 2 square so on, 2n plus half into 1 minus 2 power n by half, 2n plus 1 minus 2 power minus n. So this is third option is correct. The complex number, most of the complex numbers are based on geometrical approach. Here it is minus 3 is why I took ellipse. It is of the format SP plus S dash P less than or equal to A. Equal to 2A describes ellipse. Here I am taking minus 3. Here I am taking 1. Center will be at minus 1. Difference is 2. Difference is 2. Now, this distance this is center. It is one focus. It is other focus. SS dash is 2AE, which is 4. AE is 2. If you consider 2A as 8, A becomes 4E, which is 2. Here you get E as half. So definitely it represents ellipse internal region. So Z, all Z's are within the region. So 2A is equal to 8 means A is 4. Center to this is 4 means this must be 3 comma 0, 3 minus of minus 1. So Z you have to take within the ellipse. So where we can take, it is less than, if I take a Z here, Z minus 1, plus Z plus 3. So here he is asking, sorry, Z can be inside the ellipse or on the ellipse. 4. Here he is given 4. 4 will be somewhere here. So if you take Z here, then this will be the nearest distance. If you take Z here, then this will be the farthest distance from P. I will write this as A. PA is shortest distance. Which is 3 to 4, that is AP, which is 1. Here PB is largest distance. So this is 4. It is also 4. Total 8 plus 1, 9. So range means least and greatest. So Z minus 4 range lies between 1 and 9. So second option is correct. So sine inverse X has a mapping minus 1, 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Cos inverse X range is 1 to 0 to pi. So given Y, I can write a sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus X plus cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus X. Now, if you consider x lies between 0 and pi by 2, then in such case, pi by 2 minus x, for example, 30, 90 minus 30, 60. 60 is in the bijective limits, right? So then I can write it is straight away y as pi by 2 minus x here. Even x, anything you substitute between 0 and pi by 2. So here also it is within the bijective 0 to pi by 2 is within the bijective limits. Cos inverse cos x becomes x. It's pi minus 2x. So dy by dx is minus 2. So first option is correct. Here, what it forms, one point is 2a bar. So other point somewhere here, b. Let us take minus 3b bar. C here is 2 times a bar plus b bar. Right. Now, so he given one of the option angle B is 90 degrees. Let us check. What I am doing is I will take BC DRs. BC vector I will write. BC vector as OC minus OB 2 times A plus B plus 3B. AB will be or BA 2A plus 3B. In case if it is BC dot BA 0, then angle B will be 90. 2 times A cross B plus 3B cross 2A bar plus 3B bar. 2A bar cross A bar is 0. 6A cross B plus 6B cross A plus 9A. These two get cancelled. AB are, he told, not be as 1, 9. So not equal to 0. Angle B is not 90 degrees. So the second option is wrong. Now let us find angle between. This is angle A, that is, I'll take some space here. I'll find JB is OB minus OA minus 3B minus 2A. AC will be OC 2 times A cross B minus 2A. AB dot AC if I find minus 3B minus 2A dot 2 times A cross B minus 2A bar. B dot A cross B is 0 plus 6 times A cross B minus 4 times A dot A dot A cross B, sorry, A dot A cross B, which is 0 plus 4 times mod A square. So here it is AB dot 3B minus 3B, it's dot product. From here, AB dot AC will be A dot B, here he given OA dot OB is minus 3. OA means 2A bar dot minus 3B bar is minus 3. So A dot B becomes half. 3, A dot B is half plus 4 mod A square, so which is 7. That means angle A is not 90 degrees. Let us find out angle A. Cos A will be AB dot AC by mod AB mod AC. So mod AB we have to find. Mod AB will be minus 3B minus 2A. So let us take square. Here 9 mod B square plus 4 mod A square. B and A, it is 6B dot A half, that is 16, 13, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 3, 16, 9 plus 4, 4 into 3, sorry, 12. 6 times 15, 19 you get. Plus 12 times A dot B, that is 6, which is totally 19. And A mod AC will be mod of 2 times A cross B minus A. So mod AC square will be 2 times A cross B minus A dot 2 times A cross B minus A. 4 times mod A cross B whole square. A dot B dot is 0. A dot A cross B is 0 plus A dot A mod A square. So here it is A cross B whole square is mod A is 1, mod B is 1. Between A and B, angle is 60, root 3 by 2, 3 by 4. So which is 4. So now cos C we got it is 7 by root 19 into root 4, which is to 7 by 2 root 19. That is angle A. Let us find out once again AB dot AC. 6 A dot B plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 7, correct. AB whole square is 19, correct. So this is in fact AC square. AC will be root 2. Mod AC square is 4, AC will be root 2. Here also 4, it is root 7. So this is also not possible. So let us see A cross B. Suppose let us find out CA dot CB. 2 times A cross B plus 3B dot 2 times A cross B minus 2A. 6 times mod A cross B whole square. A cross B dot A 0. B dot A cross B 0. 6 times A dot B. A cross B, mod of A cross B earlier case we discussed, it is 3 by 4. A dot B is half. So 9/2 minus 3 not equal to 0. Angle C is also not 0, so it is not right angle. So at this point also we checked it is not. So let us rectify this. It is 2 root 19. So third option is correct. Here 66th question. Here x lies between is all intervals are between -1 and 1. So sine graph you know it. Sine 0 when x is half sine 91. So it is 1 to 2 0. It is sine pi x graph. Let us take x lies between 0 to 1. Sine pi x values are also lies between, which implies x sine pi x. Its values is 0. Between x lie between half and 1. Half less between half and 1 also. Here we get 0 to 1. Then in that case also x sine pi x will be less than 1, which implies step of x sine pi x is 0. When x is half means you get half into sine 90, whose value is 0. So then here you have in right side. So let us calculate the left side also minus half to 0. So the graph will be like this. Sine pi x will be between -1 and 0. X is negative, sine pi x negative, positive lies between. So step of sine pi x is again 0. So when x is minus half, it is minus half sine minus pi by 2 is -1 plus half, which is 0. So when x lies between -1 and minus half, again values will be, product will be negative, then x sine pi x becomes 0. The total graph will be between 0 to 1, it is 0, -1 to 0 also 0. It is in fact a constant function, continuous and differentiable in the interval -1 to 1. So whether it differentiable at the boundary or not, how do we know it? When x greater than 1, sine pi x enters into third quadrant, step of negative becomes -1 there, nearby 1. So left limit and right limit are not equal. So it's not continuous, not differentiable at x equal to 1. Where sum of digits in the units place of 3, 4, 5, 6 taken at a time. Suppose 3 if you take, remaining digits are 4, 5, 6. These 3 digits, so 4 can be filled in any ways, 3 possibilities. 5 can, this place can be filled with either 5 or 6, like that. So number of 3's in the units place will be 6. So value carried by, so 6 3's are there. value carried by 3 is 18. Similarly, value carried by 4 also 24. Value carried by 5 is 65. Value carried by 6, that is adding all the 66 plus 24, 90 plus 18, so which is 108. Here it is area bounded by mod of x minus 3 by 2 plus mod of y plus 4 by 3 by half. Here it is by how much? 4 by 3. Sorry, here it is 5 by 3. Which is 1. So shifting the origin to this point, 3 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3. There is no change in area. You have so it's nothing but area will be modulus is there, symmetric about both x and y axis. Area of becomes a square, whose this area will be half into 5 by 2 into 5 by 3. Like this, you have 4 areas multiplied by 4. You get 25 by 3 square units. This will be the area. Here, sin A by sin A sin B by cos A cos B is 1 by 3. Cos of A plus B by cos of A minus B will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B is d sin A sin B minus sin A sin B by cos A cos B is 3 sin A sin B plus sin A sin B. So we get here 2 sin A sin B by 4 sin A sin B. Here is 70th d of x square plus y square 2x dx 2y dy by 2. This I will write d of tan inverse y by x is equal to 0. Tan inverse y by x is what you get here is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. Again, derivative of this x dy minus dx square get cancelled. We get the required expression. Integrating, we get x square plus y square by 2 plus tan inverse y by x is equal to c. To get the answer, tan inverse y by x is equal to c minus x square plus y square by 2. So here it is y is equal to tan of c minus x square plus y square by 2. Y is x tan 2c minus x square minus y square by 2. So here sum of the coefficients of all integral powers of x. So 1 plus 2 root x whole power 40 if you take 40 c naught root 2 x power 0, 40 c1 root 2 x whole power 1, 40 c2 root 2 x whole square. So Here it is coefficient of integral powers of x. Here it is 2 root x. It's not integral power. 2 root x whole square. Here it is. So this is okay. This is okay. This. So what I do is I'll take 1 minus 2 root x whole power 40. 40 c naught 2 root x whole power 0 minus 40 c1 2 root x whole power 1 40 c2 2 root x whole square. So I'm adding these two. 40 c naught plus 40 c2 into 2 square x like this. Mm, Put x as 1. You get 3 power 40, 1 minus 2, 1 power 40 by 2 will be, which is, these are all coefficients of integral.
This RNA contains 6 red, 4 black balls. On B contains 4 red, 6 black balls. So one ball is drawn randomly from on A. That can be red or black. If it is a red ball, it is 6 by 10. If it is a black ball, 4 by 10. And placed in on B. Then one ball is drawn randomly from on B. So if red ball is transferred, there are 5 red, in this case 6 black ball. If black ball is transferred, 4 red and 7 black. Now if one ball is drawn from on B, here he can draw again a red ball or black ball. If it is a red ball, 5 by 11. If it is a black ball, 6 by 11. In this case, black ball is transferred. If we draw a red ball, black, 7 by 11. So again he placed in on A. Now in this case on A, after drawing transferring a red ball, there are 5 red and 6 black. So if we again transfer red ball, here you will have a 6 red and 6 black. Here 5 red, right. Here it is 6 red and 4 black balls. Again here, if we transfer a black ball, then originally there were, after transferring red, there are only 5 red and 4 black balls. Once we transfer a black ball, then you'll have a 5 red and 5 black balls. So here, if we select a red ball, then here in fact we have black ball is selected. Then in such case, you'll have a 6 red and 3 black balls. Now he select a red here and transfer. 7 red, 3 black. Suppose if we select a black ball and transfer 6 red and 4 black balls. Now finally what he is asking, probability that drawn is a red. So drawn is a red means first 6 by 10. Again here 5 by 11. Again 6 red, 6 by 10. So drawing a red ball and selecting a black ball from the on B. Again finally getting a red ball. Let us come to the second case. If we transfer a black ball 4 by 10, again selecting a red 4 by 11, again finally we require a red ball, or selecting a black ball, again selecting a black ball from on B, again finally we require a red. So this is the procedure. So after simplification you get this. Here root of 4 minus x square plus root x square minus 1. Assume it as y. Here you'll have a 2 root 4 minus x square into x square minus 1. 3 plus 2 root 4 minus x square into. So root function is always greater than 0. So y square will be greater than 3. So y belongs to minus infinity to minus root 3 union this. So for this, but y here, the root cannot be negative. So y will not come to this region, root 3 to infinity. We got lower bound. For getting upper bound, this cannot go to infinity. So take x square as y. This expression 4 minus y into y minus 1, 5y minus 4. Here it is 4ac minus b square by minus. So you'll have a 9 by 4. Y square is 4 plus 2 root 9 by 4. It is 3 plus. So we get 6. So y square will be maximum. So this will be the answer. Greater than root 3 and less than root 6. Okay. Here, focus of the parabola. One way he given focus of the parabola as 1 comma 1, and instead of giving directrix he given tangent at the vertex. So in such case, how do we find equation of the tangent, equation of the parabola? So let us take a standard parabola. So that is the x comma y, drop a perpendicular. Here you drop a perpendicular. So you know this standard equation. Here y means distance from point to axis. X means distance from point to y-axis. So now here parabola is given whose axis tangent at vertex is like this. Here axis what he given is focus he given 1 comma 1. Here is pxy. Here is a directrix. Now y means it is from point to the axis of the parabola. He given tangent at vertex. So you can find axis. It's just perpendicular line. X minus y plus k0, say 1. 1 passes through 1 comma 1. Substituting, we get x minus y 0. So once you know the axis, as I suggested this method, taking a distance from a point to axis, which is 4 times a, and here x is nothing but distance from tangent at vertex to this point. That is axis equation we know by root 2. Here what you have is a. A is nothing but distance from this point to the focus. You know this tangent at the vertex, substituting 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2. So here a value is this. Simplification will give us the required. I think here it is x minus y root 2 get cancelled out. 4 times x plus y minus 1. So the area of the triangle formed by positive x-axis and and the normal and the tangent at where he drawn the tangent. So this point here is 1 comma root 3. So normal is so now here you have to find perpendicular, so that once you know tangent, half into OA into H will give you that area of the triangle. Here you have a circle, x root 3 plus y here is 4. So at what point it intersect x-axis, put y0, you get x as 4 by root 3. Area will be half into, here it is this 4 into height. Height is nothing. Here what he given is, in this problem, totally 6 points are lying on a circle. The line segment joining orthocenter of the triangle formed by 3 points and other 3 points
centroid. It is orthocenter, it is centroid. Passes through a fixed point. Because as you change its vertices, different orthocenter, different centroids, you have a family of lines. All the line passes through a fixed point. What is that fixed point? That is the question. First, here circle is center is 0, 0, which is circumcenter. Let LM be orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter. We know centroid divides 2:2. G, you know, first three vertices, let us take. Now, this G will be 2 into 0, L by 3. And here sigma xi is 3. With other three vertices, x4, y4, x5, y5, x6, y6. Centroid formula. So this x4 plus x5 plus x6 is, some of them will given 8. 8 minus L again here 4 minus M by. So here one point is L comma M, other point is this. By 8 minus L by 3 minus L is x minus L. After simplification, we get y minus m by x minus L is 4 times 4 minus 4m, which is 1 minus m by 8 minus 4l, that is 2 minus l. From there, this h plus k here is 2. This problem, this complex number where let us denote this complex number with omega. For z is, he said z lies on a circle of radius half. So omega plus 1 is equal to 4 into half. That means is equal to 2. So it lies on a circle with center 1 and radius. It is two variable problem. How to tackle this kind of problem? Convert into single variable or use Leibniz theorem. So let us see. Here x minus t, you assume it as u. So here it's changing with respect to t. So f of x is equal to x square. In place of t, x minus u, f of u, dt is minus du. When t is 0, it is x. When t is x, it is 0. Where minus du is there, I will write 0 to x. It is x square plus c power x. It is f of x. F dash x will be 2x plus e power x. Derivative of this x is derivative is 1 plus this part. Derivative of e power x is e power x. This whole thing together is fx. This whole thing is fx minus x square. Here in place of t, x minus u, f dash x here is x derivative 1 e power minus x into minus 1. F dash x here is this whole thing is so f dash x is minus fx plus x square. F of x is f of minus 3 will be 9 minus 27. So this type of problems are 4 points. So you take any one of the point as origin. I will choose as D as origin. AB means OB minus OA. 0 minus C. K times AD square. AD means simply D is 0, 0 minus A. BC will be C minus B whole square. AC will be C minus A whole square. BD will be simply B square. So from here, um, A dot C minus B dot C is K times plus 2c dot a minus it cancel out. C dot a minus b is 2 times 2k times minus b dot c plus c dot. 2 here is out. So this problem number 85, data of adjoint B at B power n minus 1. The run is 3 by 3 matrix. N value is 3. Data of adjoint B will be, but here B is B transpose is minus B from the cosine. Data of B transpose B transpose. So here that B is minus that B. Property that of B transposes, which implies that B zero. Once that B zero, that of adjoint B is zero. Now left over for us is this part A. Take root K as A. A becomes 2A square minus 1. This is what A for us. Splitting this into 2A square, 2A, 2A. One zero zero. So after all simplification, so get 2A square plus 1 whole cube, which is so this is that of B. Your data of adjoint B, we given it as that B whole square, that is 2A square plus 1 whole power 6, which is 10 power 6. Is 9. A square is K. K becomes 9 by 2. Step of K is step of 4.5, which is G. Problem number 87. plus cos x whole power 2 by 7 into 1 plus cos x dx. 1 minus cos x by 2 by 7, 2 cos square x by 2, which is 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 half into, here it is tan power 4 by 7x. Half into tan power 4 by 7 of x by 2, tan x by 2 as t. Secant square x by 2 dx is 2. E power 11 by 7 by 11 by 7. T is nothing but tan x by 2. A is B here is 11 by 7. AB is 1. Here it is 86th one. Mod x less than or equal to 2 means x lies between. Up to 2 it is e power cos x sin x dx. Plus 2 to 3 is 2dx. F(x) as e power cos x sin x. F of minus x will be sin of minus x. Sin of minus x is this, which is minus fx. Is 0. So this one, 2 times integral dx, just. So here it is, the given one equation, f double dash x plus f dash x is equal to x square f square x. Differential equation, point of maximum. It is the point of maximum and f double dash x1, so point of minimum. F dash, the minimum means f double dash x1 is greater. So left hand side, one is 0, other is greater. Now, here it is given circle is this. The point where it lies outside. This is only radius 2. Here, for the given condition, points lie outside. Once they lie outside, two tangents can be. Here, this 89th question, sum of number of solutions. Say here y is log x, log 1 is 0, log 10 1, log 1 by 10 minus 1. Graph looks like this log x. First log x to the base 3 graph. And x is 1, 0, x is 3, it is 1. Graph it. It is log mod x to the base 3. Since if you replace x with minus x, there is no change. So it is symmetric about y-axis. So the graph comes like this. Once you put modulus, this negative part is there. So minus 1 modulus is there, plus 1. Like this. Here also negative part will be. The final graph will look like, and as x approaches, you take this. So here another function is when x is positive, x0 is 1, x is 1, 1 by 5, graph comes like this. Since it is symmetric about y-axis, right, replace x with minus x, there is no change. Your final graph will be so how many point of intersection means? 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Here it is to find number of rows. One minus sine square x into minus sine square. Take cos square x common. Here, once you cancel it, you will lose some solution. Beware of, don't do cancellation here. 0 or cos square x is 0 means here cos square x 0 in the interval. How many points? 0 to 2 pi means cos graph, cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0, cos square is there, 3 pi by 2. Again, after that we'll have 5 pi by 2. But the interval is given 0 to 2 pi. So only values means the 3 carries 2 roots. Other one, sin square x is this. So cos power 5x plus cos square x is, it is possible because it maximum is 1, here also maximum 1. Cos is equal to 1 will be the solution for this. So which implies 0 to 5. So interval is mentioned 0 to 5. So totally here two solutions. Here you have two solutions. Number of solutions.